Alright, this is a conditional review for rehab pricing only. And we're in a nice townhouse in Virginia Beach. All carpet flooring needs to be replaced. Going down to the first level, right in front of us is the laundry room. There's no flooring in here. No lighting, of course, and it measures 6.5 by 7.5. It also features air handler and so forth. Right next to this is a lower level great room with fireplace. Again, paint, flooring replaced, and this room measures 13.5 by 17. With an extra little alcove and closet that is you can estimate what that is. There's a full bath, and again, flooring, walls, and this measures 5 by 4 roughly. All doors need to be replaced. Spend a fortune on Mr. Eraser. Ceiling in the garage, for whatever reason, has been torn down. Water heater looks fine. Plumbing and electrical have not been tested, although the electrical is on. The walls are knocked down plaster with numerous holes, dents, scuff marks. The main living level features the kitchen, and parts of this floor don't look bad, but it all just needs to be replaced. All the walls are dirty. Holes, wear patterns. This area is 14 by 14. Then we go over into the dining area, and again the walls are just torn up, and the dining area measures 9.5 by 10. The kitchen, I would say just gut it and replace it. It's 9 by 10, and that includes under the counters, because the flooring needs to be completely redone. The backsplash in its time when these were new probably looked great. Ceiling stains, that's the hood or the microwave or something. Master bedroom is down the hall. First, there's a half bath that measures, again, 4 by 5. Mostly just paint in there. Master bedroom, again, all trim, needs to be painted. All right, master bedroom. Paint, top to bottom, new floor covering. Master bath. Wait a minute. Master bedroom is 12 by 20, and that includes into the closet. Master bath features a jetted tub. Artwork everywhere that there's a flat surface. Magic marker is a wonderful thing. This again would be a complete redo. Space is 11.5 by 11. Let's go upstairs for the other two bedrooms. The smell is just as bad as the appearance. There's a landing, there's a full bath up here. And again, this is I would say a complete redo job. This bath is 8 by 5. Might be able to save the toilet, I don't know. There's a loft area. That's a small closet attic space. Loft area is 11 by 14. Bedroom. This appears to be the least torn up of the interior rooms. But again, it still needs all new carpet, new doors, fresh paint. And this measures 12 by 18.5, including the closet and the dormer area of the window. The last bedroom, same as all the rest. Paint, carpet. Oh yeah, there was a broken window in the last bedroom. This also features a repair to the wall that has to be redone with a knockdown plaster. And this room with the closet is 12 by 16. And again, yeah, the window is severely broken. So, that's it.